Well, happy belated Cinco de Mayo to you. Oh, you don't want me to pick you up? You don't want me to pick... Do you see how vicious he is? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Wait till you see what he did. Are you ready? You ready to see what he did? Whoa, what? What? Oh, Sonny, what did you do? What did you... No, you know that wasn't Sonny. So, this is the story time. Once upon a time... Come here, Donnie, come here. There you go. Let's help me tell. Ready? Once upon a time, there was an Onni who spoke Amish. And the mommy, that's me, went to bend down and get... Well, I was bending down for something. Went to pick up something. He was on the table and he flew at me and bit my face. And I yelled and then I blocked him. And that's what he did to me. Cockatoos are fun, huh? You should see the other guy.